Hi, I'm Dr. Seema Sharma and I'm founder director of Srishti Femcare. We specialize in giving post delivery care to women, and in today's video, I would talk about stretch marks. It's a long, big topic, so I have decided to break this into two parts. The first video, we will talk about what are stretch marks and how do we prevent them. And in the second, then we will talk more about what is the treatment of stretch marks. So essentially, stretch marks are they are basically uh, whitish streaks on your skin, which occur because the tissue which is lying just beneath the skin, just below the skin, it breaks. It's something like, in your day-to-day life, if you would have noticed, if you have a very old, say especially silk cloth or a silk sari, so if you stretch them, the weave just kind of becomes like a zigzag perforation. It may not even cut through, but you can see a zigzag pattern on the sari if you just pull it apart. Especially happens with old cloth. So similarly, when our skin is stretched too much, the tissues which are just lying beneath or under the skin, they break. That's why we have these erratic zigzag lines. So these are stretch marks. Why do they happen? Essentially, like as I already said, when the skin is stretched, and why the skin is stretched is could be pregnancy when the baby is growing. The skin is over distended, and it is more common, especially when twins or triplets are there, or you were already a very big person, then it happens. So not only in pregnancy, it can happen very commonly in pubertal girls or pubertal boys also. When suddenly under the effect of hormones, there is a preferential fat laying down under in your abdomen or your buttocks. So you would see those stretch marks on the side of the thighs and lower part of your tummy when somebody is putting on weight very fast, say thyroid problems, puberty, or when you're on steroids. And not only women, they can also affect men, but yes, men, because a woman by physiologically undergoing lot of processes, it is more common in women. And in pregnancy, almost 80 to 90% women will have some kind of stretch marks. So a very few lucky people would have no stretch marks. So what do I do when I know I am going to have a stretch marks and I don't want a stretch marks? I want to be kind of have a flawless skin. So what do I do about it? So the important thing is that we are going to just take care of our skin. We are not going to put on too much weight because the lesser weight you put on, pregnancy is fine. There is a baby inside, but when you have additional fatty tissue, the girth is going to increase more. So whatever girth had to increase more because of fat is under your control. So do not put on too much of body weight when you are pregnant. One, be exercise regularly, because when you exercise regularly, your skin stretches and it becomes more supple. Third thing is keep your thyroid and everything is in place, so you do not again every precaution is linked to avoiding too much weight gain. Another very important thing that we advise is, well, keep your skin hydrated, because your hydration will depend on how much it breaks. It's like you keep taking care of your silk saris. So and we always advise that start putting these moisturizing creams from fourth month onwards, because that's the time when the baby comes into your in your belly. So, and it is advisable that these hydration creams should be applied immediately after your skin has been moistened, say after your bath. If you apply it on a dry skin, they have no meaning really. They won't do much, except that you might feel happy about using them, but they to your skin they don't do much. So if you want to trap moisture in your skin, you have to apply them in your wet skin. So whether you apply coconut oil, your bio oil, your cocoa butter, your any kind of moisturizing cream, all have the same effect. Well, you would notice some people have very bad stretch marks, some people get away with very fine stretch marks. So, I think people who have lesser stretch marks are lucky genetically to have a robust collagen which doesn't break so soon. People who are very fair, we say Kashmiri skin, and people who live on mountains and all, they have very delicate collagen under their skin, which is prone to breaking fast. So inherently, the kind of stretch marks that you have does not depend on the cream that you're putting. It depends on your genetic collagen that you have under your skin. So, but yes, prevention is a lot under your control. So you try and prevent. Like we always say, prevention is better than cure. So try and prevent stretch marks. Do not hope that once I will have it and then I will think about correcting it. So just prevent by eating nutritious food, avoiding too much weight gain, keeping your thyroid and other things in check, and applying moisturizers on a wet or a moist skin, not wet skin but moist skin. Then there are certain home remedies that we say, if you apply lemon and honey in the night before sleeping, though I really don't know, but this is mentioned. It might make you feel very sticky. I don't know whether it is a good option. But lemon with oil, lemon with honey, both have been identified as maybe it will keep your skin more moist and may prevent your scar tissue. So, well, that's about it that you can do for prevention. In my next video, I will talk about now what do we do once you have developed stretch marks and how do we correct them. Well, that's all for today. Thank you.